am quickly going to guide you on how you can do that, okay? So let me guide you on the steps you need to take. First is to go to Playstore, all right? Tap on Playstore for you to open. As the Playstore opens, search for Sanlam Nigeria. Okay, you see this option show up, all right? So see the second one is Sanlam Nigeria. Tap on install for it to be installed on your phone. After the installation, tap on open for the application to open. As the application opens, tap on get started, okay? Or if you already have a policy, as you already have a policy, yeah, I know you have a policy, tap on sign in. Then in this space, type the phone number you used when I was creating that policy for you, all right? So let me type my own second phone number because I have a policy with the company. 2, not 1, 2. After adding your phone number, tap continue. As you can see on the screen, one-time password will be sent to your phone. All right, so enter that one-time password in the space provided. So in my own case, let me type the one-time password. Once you are done typing the one-time password, tap on continue. Okay, it says welcome Uzochukwu, that's my name, create pin. So I'm going to type the pin I want to be using in opening of the app, okay? Then after that, I'll tap on continue. All right, this is where you'll be placed. You can see my first policy with the number and the second one. Let me go back. Okay, you can see this first number 1011010104324 is your first policy number. Then the one below is the second policy number because I have two policies. Okay. If you are using the one with EDUN, is still the policy number. So we have the one with only digits and one with mixture of letter and digits. Okay, so anyone can serve. All right.